Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with Citi Premier card step by step clearly. Open your preferred internet browser. Go to the PayPal website. Click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your PayPal email and password, then click on login. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section on the top menu. Click on link a card or bank. Select link a debit or credit card. Choose debit or credit card from the options. Enter your Citi Premier card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Fill in the billing address associated with your Citi Premier card. Click on Link Card. You may need to confirm your card by receiving a verification code via text or email. Follow the prompts to enter the verification code. Once verified, your Citi Premier card will be successfully linked to your PayPal account. To make a purchase, go to the website where you want to shop. Select the items you want to buy and proceed to checkout. Choose PayPal as your payment method. Log into your PayPal account if prompted. Confirm the payment and ensure your Citi Premier card is selected as the funding source. Click Pay Now to complete your transaction. You will receive a confirmation of your payment via email. Now, you can enjoy using your Citi Premier card with PayPal for your online shopping needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.